Today I'm going to show you how I created this lash set in 3 simple steps. Welcome back to the Lost Artistry Lash channel. My name's Caitlin, and if you're new to this YouTube channel, please do take some time to check out all of our YouTube videos. And we make it our mission to share free educational lash tips for lash artists all over the world. So if you haven't already done so, take a moment, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into this 3-step, simple yet super beautiful lash set. If I can create this, you absolutely can too by following these simple steps. Step 1, grab yourself some pre-made lash spikes. These spikes are not like creating your own handmade spikes. They're very different. They're perfectly curated. So each spike is going to look exactly like the next. So I'm gonna be using these first. I'm gonna be placing anywhere from 8 to 15 spikes across the top layer before I do anything else. Now for this step, the one thing you want to keep in mind is to make sure you do not put the spikes on the rogue lashes that look like this across the top lash layer, and make sure that they're evenly spaced apart. I am going for a cat eye lash set today, so it's important that your directional pattern looks like this. Now that I'm done applying my pre-made spikes, it's time for me to make sure that none of them look out of place. Whenever we're doing lash sets that have spikes as the focal point, you need to make sure your directional pattern is perfect. If any lashes look wonky, now is your time to take the wonky ones off and replace them with perfectly placed extensions. I do this in almost every single lash set that I do have to take off a couple lashes and put on some new ones. And please note, if this is your first time creating this set, it's super common to have to spend a lot of your time on the spikes, and then the base will come together faster than you realize. So don't put too much pressure on yourself when it comes to timing. Step 2, when thinking about the base shape of your lash set, we're talking about the bottom layer lashes. I'm going to be filling those with 100% YY lashes in short lengths. Anytime you're creating a set where the spikes are the focal point, make sure your base length is at least 4 millimeters shorter than any lengths you used for the top layer. Okay, so my set is just about finished. But now it's time for me to really fine tune the set. Here is where you have to use your creative vision. I like to use my mirror nonstop at this stage and just decide what needs to be done for the set to really come to life. So today I'm choosing to fill the rest of the set in with our 0.03 diameter ultra dark lashes. My reason for choosing the ultra darks as opposed to our matte collection, our textured, volume, our center volume, any other fiber that we carry here at Lost Artistry Lash is because our 0.03s are very unique in that each individual fiber tapers close to the base. Now you're probably thinking, what the heck does that matter? It does matter because if our fibers taper really close to the base, that means that there's less structure to the lash, making it more lightweight. That doesn't mean that it's going to look any less dramatic. It's just going to feel weightless for the client. So I can actually kind of push my weight limits a little bit when working with our 0.03 ultra darks, which is exactly what I want to do today. I want to be able to build out of one tray of lashes. I want to be able to build whatever I want. So this is our most buildable lash, and quite literally, everyone who uses this lash fiber is like, I can't believe I ever fanned with anything else. It fans so easily. So it's just really easy to work with, very buildable, and does feel very lightweight. So I'm gonna get darkness without putting extra weight on my client's natural lashes. So I'm just gonna go in here, play around, put some wet lash spikes where I feel fit, or some open fans on that outer corner to just bring a little extra darkness to that section of the eye, because I really am trying to just bring emphasis right now to the outer corner. So I'm just building darkness on the outer corner only. I'm not going to be adding anything to the inner or middle section of the eye. I do this often, so I might have 100% coverage closer to the outer corner, half coverage closer to the middle, and then almost no coverage on the inner corner. We do sets like this. They're called half or 3/4 sets quite regularly, especially when working with cat eye designs like this one. All right, set is complete. I really wanted to show how impactful this set looks on my clients. So we did one eye with lashes, one eye without. You tell me, what do you think of this set? Would you wear it? Do you have any clients who would wear it? And if you want more tutorials like this one, please do comment below. As always, thank you so much for watching today's video.